Today I am Srivendya, pursuing my third year in BCTCA in the Culinary Academy of India. Basically, this is my project work given on the various Indian regional cuisines which we wanted to highlight on. So I took the cuisine Kongunaru, which I wanted to highlight. Kongunaru is a sub-region cuisine of Tamil Nadu, which is on the borders of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. So this Kongunaru is comprising of 50 cities, and its cuisine is very different from the base of Tamil Nadu cuisine. The main cities are like Dindigul, Erode, Salem, and Ooty, Coimbatore. Coimbatore is the head of the Kongunaru region now. And now my point to highlight this cuisine is like it has a various different flavors, textures in the food, and this is a very backward cuisine. So I want to highlight which can be like highlighted throughout the India about the cuisine, like how Chettinadu is highlighted. So Kongnadu. Today my main dishes are like crab. Crab is my main dish in non-veg, and which is Nathakadiyur Nan Kulambu. It got its name from the place Nathakadiyur, where its masala is very different than any other region present in there. And Nandu is the crab's name. Then I have the veg main course, which is Urulai Thiratul, which is potato. Potato is a urulai, and thiratul is a gravy, which is roasted peanut gravy, which is used. Then I have like the different podis, like accompaniments, which is one is spooned milgai podi, which is of garlic, made of garlic and dry red chilies, and yellow milgai podi is a sesame seeds with dry red chilies. And then I have the dish called kollu masir, which is made out of horse gram. It can be taken as a dal dish and also as a chutney, which has a tamarind tinge to it. And then there is payasam, elanir payasam, which is made out of fresh coconut, tender coconut, which is bind together along with the water and cooked in its own gravy. Then I have the kalkandu pongal, which is made out of palm sugar. It's not the general sugar which we use, it's the palm sugar which we took. Then I have murungai kire adai. It's a bread which is made out of drumstick leaves. Like that is the speciality of using drumstick leaves and making of the breads. And there's arisi parpu sadam, where it's known as dal rice, made out of dal and the rice together along with the tempering. And then there is puli inji. It is a chutney made out of tamarind and ginger. Puli is ginger, inji is the tamarind, which is gives a harsh and tangy taste to the chutney. And as the banana trees, like they are grown in abundance, we made an appetizer called Valaipu Urunde, Kola Urunde, which is the balls which are made out of the banana flour and bind it and deep fried. And then there is Kothmeri Toku, because we want the freshness to come in. We use the fresh coriander in making of the Toku pickle. And the culture is totally different, and in this region the invention of pickles happened because the gingerly seeds are generally grown over there in abundance, and also their culture, like the usage of like the prasadam, the panchamitram, which is given in the temples, has taken place here because the growth of the bananas and also the dates happen in the like the regions like Erode and all. And there is a different festival like the Mariamman festival, where they pray to the goddess Mariamman for the good rains and the good health, like to avoid cholera and chicken pox, which they believe. And there is a festival called Thai Pusam, in which they insert the rods in their mouth and pray to Murugan for the goodwill of their families. And there's a restaurant in Dindigul which comes under the Kongnadu region, known as the Talapakatti restaurant. Talapakatti is generally the turban which a man wore on the top, and he used to make the biryani and then serve the customers. Since 1950 it was there, and since ages now the restaurant is still running with the same ingredient, with this like secret ingredient and the mixture they use. It is now becoming world famous. So I just wanted to highlight these points so that this cuisine, Kongnadu cuisine, can be outcome and brought into a highlight. And the vessels play a main role because the stone vessels, known as the Kalchetti in Tamil, are the ancient vessels. The authenticity of the vessels I need to bring. So I brought through displaying them in the stone vessels. Thank you so much.